This is Tom.
Hi, Thomas.
Yes.
Hey, Thomas. Good afternoon. My name is Subra. Thomas, would you hate me if I said this was a cold call?
Yeah. What's it in regard to?
Okay, I'll make it 20 seconds, quick to the point. Okay. Tell me if it's relevant for you. I usually work with MLOs who are looking to grow their realtor referral partnerships. We're a marketing agency, and I wanted to see if it's going to be of any value to you. If you could get connected with more realtors doing 8+ buyer sites and who starts referring you buyers within the 90 days period. Do you feel that's a relevant conversation for you?
It would just depend on the price.
So what do you mean, like pricing as in like pricing model or how much per appointment? Because we have monthly and per appointment, either can be done.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you. Look, is this something that you would benefit right now, like price
Sure.
side?
Sure.
Okay. I'll give you some context because it's a lot of variables that comes into place because we do custom. It's similar to if a buyer comes to you and say, hey, what's my mortgage? You cannot just give you a number. It has to be a range. I'll give you a range. Let's say for smaller markets, it's usually $80 per appointment, qualified realtor appointment. And for difficult markets like Miami, one of the most difficult that we've encountered, it's mostly like $250-ish, right? So it really depends on various factors, how many appointments, what time frame, a lot of things. Do you feel like it's something that you want to explore further? Then we can have a longer discussion and figure that out together.
Yeah, we could probably do that.
Okay. Can we do something tomorrow?
I would say it would have to be around 12 o'clock Central Time.
12 o'clock Central. Can we do something a bit later, like 2 p.m. Central? Oh, sorry, 1 p.m. Central, sorry.
Let me look. I'm busy until 1:30.
Until 1:30. Okay. So 12 noon works for you, correct?
As long as it's no more than 20 minutes.
It will be an introduction call, so we will have process clarity on that call, so we can even know what we are talking about. So it will be at least 30 to 40 minutes of your uninterrupted time. That's what we need.
Okay. Then no, I have to be. I only have until so anytime between 11 and 12:15 is all I have.
Okay, so let's do 11:30 then.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. All right. Can you share your email with me quickly? I will send the Zoom invite there.
T.com.
Mortgage.com. Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. All right. I'll give you one more context, which is usually not a deal breaker at all. I've never found that, but still it makes it easier for me. So I'm actually not in the U.S. I'm calling you from India. You might understand from my accent. And also our team is entirely remote. India, Denmark, and Philippines. That's how we are structured. Is that a deal breaker for you by any chance?
No.
Okay, perfect. I'll see you tomorrow at Central Time, 11:30 a.m.
Okay. Are you going to send me a meeting invite then?
I will send a confirmation over and a meeting link and invite over your email and also a text confirmation after this call.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Perfect. See you tomorrow, Thomas.